Hello everyone! Today my DIY is about an easy pizza. What? Welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia. Let's make this easy, no oven, no yeast, delicious pizza. So let's get started. Here goes in the main ingredient, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next goes in the yogurt. It could be any plain yogurt, 0 fat, full fat, any plain yogurt. Here goes in some salt to taste. Let's add in some leavening agents. Blend everything together for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and non-sticky. Let's get our board set up. In order to roll the pizza dough, we need to maintain it well floured. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. If you do not have any leavening agents at all, you can simply use the self-raising plain flour. The texture will be different and the dough won't raise obviously, but still your pizza base will be super soft. Make sure to knead your pizza dough for a fair amount of time. Use a wet cloth to keep this smooth, non-sticky dough to rest for an hour. Now let's make a pizza red sauce. I'm prepping the sauce in such an easy way that you just need to add 2 finely chopped garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Now is when we need to arrange for the toppings of our pizza. Haven't you heard that the toppings on a pizza is where the magic happens? So here I am crushing these chilies to get some chili flakes. Let's take this dough and knead it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to flour the board well as we start to roll the dough. I am rolling the pizza dough in a very traditional way so as to get the crust to be thin and fluffy consistency. Adjust the size of the pizza so as to fit in your pan. Preheat the pan for 2 to 3 minutes and apply some olive oil onto it. Transfer the dough onto the pan and cook this for about a minute. Now you know it's ready to flip when the bottom becomes golden color. I normally use this golden crispy brown side of the crust at the top. Now it's time to apply the red sauce. Please make sure to lower the flame. Now let's add in our cheese. The one I am using here is the mozzarella shredded cheese. Now is the time to toss in all your favorite veggies. As you can see, I have added in some finely chopped bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, onions, and some olives. Just to get the authentic Italian pizza flavor, I am adding in some freshly cut basil leaves. Just tossing in some extra cheese. Now go ahead and cover this and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes until your cheese is fully melted and the bottom to be golden. That is the sign to look out for. Finally, let's garnish our pizza with some chili flakes. Ta-da! So here is our quick stove top, easy, no yeast, no oven pizza. Transfer it onto the cutting board and You just made a perfect pizza with the super soft crust, crispy with the caramelized cheese at the edges. I'm super excited to try this pizza. Come, let's try. Yummy! I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god, I just made one of the best tasting pizza. This is so delicious. It's soury, it's cheesy, it's whatnot. It's so yummy. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope you guys will all try this yummy, no oven, no yeast, easy pizza at home and let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time.